Smells so delicious. It tastes so different. You can see a hand going in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so very excited to film this video. So I'm doing a mukbang. I'm trying out Thai snacks for the first time and I'm so excited. So my friend recently visited Thailand and got these snacks for me, so let's try them out. So excited, like I think this is the first video where I'm eating, so I'm a foodie and I'm so excited. So first of all, we're gonna try this fruit product of Thailand. It's mango. I think it's dried mango. So let's try it out. I might pronounce some of these wrong or eat them in a wrong way. Please forgive me.
I'm so excited.
Smells so delicious.
Show it to the camera for
I'm gonna try this. Looks so delicious.
How's it?
It's sweet. It's unexpectedly sweet. I like it. You guys, I always love mangoes. Delicious. Now the camera is gonna try it out. How is it, Tracy?
It's like mangoes, but
Candy type taste. Which one should I try next? We tried sweet, so let's try this one. So this is Squid seafood snack. I'm just gonna tear it from my hand.
oh, you should rate them. Okay, rate the mango one.
Solid 9 out of 10. It's so good. To let you guys know, I hardly rate 10 on 10 to anything, so 9 is. This smells like
Seafood.
fish. Yeah, seafood. So I'm gonna try it out.
What does it taste like?
So good. It's a little spicy. Not cameraman's trying to try. It's like sweet and spicy.
Definitely tastes like seafood.
Oh, I love these snacks. It's so different. I hadn't tried these before. And it's so delicious. I'm gonna eat them all day. The first one was sweet and spicy. This one. And the one that I'm gonna try next is hot and spicy. Okay.
Anjela doesn't do well with spicy things.
Okay, Lord have mercy. Okay.
Okay, eating the big reveal.
Ding, ding, ding. Okay. So they are saying that was a little spicy and this is like hot and spicy, so I'm a little scared. So now I'm gonna try this.
Is it spicier?
Cameraman's turn to try. I expected it to be a lot more spicier, but it's not that spicy, so I love it. Yeah, it's good. I was afraid it's gonna be very spicy, but it's very good. Should I try the next flavor of the same one?
Yeah.
This is Thai original. Okay. I'm gonna open it. This smells so good. It looks a little different in color.
The spices are hitting right now.
Your girl is a foodie and I'm like just so happy to film this video. It's a big reveal. It's written as like Thai original. So I think this
is the original taste.
Yeah. So this is like really good among the three of them.
Which one was your favorite?
I like the sweet one, but like after trying this, I think this is my favorite. This is Tracy's favorite, and this is my favorite.
It's also kind of spicy though.
Yeah, it's so good. I want to finish them all, but we have a lot more to try, so let's move on. I would rate the squids like 9.5 out of 10. Like it was so good. I did not expect a snack to taste like so good. These Thai snacks are so good. It's like a really huge packet of jelly. If you guys didn't know, I love jelly. So I'm gonna try this one, pink.
I was also thinking about the pink one.
It's so chewy and so sweet. This is jelly time. And pink. I love it. It's so sweet. I'm gonna eat this like every day. It's gonna last me for about
a while.
I'm gonna keep this in a jar, and Tracy and we're gonna watch some Netflix and finish all of these snacks today. I'm gonna give some to my mom too. So then these are the noodles. This instant noodle is shrimp tom yum flavor. This shrimp creamy tom yum flavor.
Anyone from Thailand, let us know.
Comment down your flag if you're from Thailand. You guys are very lucky if you guys get to eat this every day.
We should do a Nepali mukbang too. Yeah, we have one, but we haven't edited it. Nepali food one.
Yeah, and I also wanted to do one with pani puri. I am a huge pani puri fan, and I can eat like a lot. I just love pani puri. I wanted to do a pani puri mukbang. Let me know if you guys think I should do mukbangs. So now this is a jumbo size, okay. This is fish snack barbecue flavored. Thank God there was like English written.
The packaging is so cool. Is that like oh, that's a fish. I thought that was a whale.
It does look like a whale though.
Can
Okay. Oh, these are like very thin. This has a little less flavor than the previous one. It's like a little plain, but it has its own like unique taste.
Does it taste similar to the squid one?
No, it doesn't. Cameraman's turn. It's kind of chewy.
It's less chewy than the squid though.
True. I think I would rate this 8 out of 10. It's still really good, but just because I had this one, so it tastes a little mild. Okay, so
the most
I'm very
awaited one.
Excited. This one already opened it for the thumbnail, so let's try it out. This is strawberry peach yogurt flavor. No, it looks so adorable. I'm so excited. It's so good. It tastes like strawberry and peaches at the same time. It's like a mixed flavor. Take one from the cameraman. She's already here. Okay. How's it?
It tastes exactly what it says, like strawberries and yogurt, but it's a unique mix of them and it's like so tasty.
And it's a little crunchy as well.
Yeah.
This soft sugar coating outside and crunchy on the inside.
I think we used to have a candy similar to this when we were little. Do you remember? The one where the cream used to be in the separate container.
Yeah, you dip it on it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys got it. Okay, so this one is... This is blueberry flavored. Oh, so Tracy loves blueberry flavor, so we are excited to try this. At previous one, I didn't saw it, but there's this open over here, so I just like, oh.
How is this pronounced? Is this pronounced like Pocky? Pocky?
Pocky. I don't think it's Pocky.
Pocky once again.
Pocky.
Should we like Google about it?
Forgive us for our pronunciation.
Use a Caesar.
So Tracy gave me a Caesar, it's like right next here, but
Nice, more phone ripping it off.
yeah. So I'm gonna get 2 out already because Tracy's so excited to try them out. So let's try it together. For you guys as well. 3, 2, 1. This even smells so good.
Yeah. It even has chunks of blueberry. Can you like show it?
It's really delicious. Like these are a solid like 9.5 out of 10. It's like so good. Tracy, what would you rate this?
I don't know, I love blueberries, but the strawberry one was also like very good. I definitely like blueberry one more.
There was strawberry and peaches. Now we have only strawberry one. Strawberry flavor.
Oh, I think this is like the original one. The one which we see everywhere.
Okay. I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh, I feel like these are like more in quantity as well. I don't know if it's just me. Fail.
Yeah, we don't even have a Caesar. We don't need to use a Caesar.
Okay. Yay!
Stop.
Oh, these look so pretty. You guys, it's like all like pink. You guys can see a hand going in. Okay, let's try it. This one is good, but these ones were better. Let me put this inside or else we're gonna finish them. I would rate this one 9.5 out of 10. And this 9 out of 10. And this 8 out of 10.
I like the blueberry one more.
Tracy
For
like
me,
the
it's
blueberry
one is like 10. Blueberry
Okay,
and the peaches and
so no one
strawberry
is going
one.
to have this now.
Yeah, that's mine.
So what else is left?
Yeah, I think we're
Are we
done.
done? So now we are gonna cook the noodles and be back. So I'm back. La, flavor cut it. So we just cooked this one. It's right over here. Looks so delicious. This is shrimp tom yum flavor. So Tracy's giving me her new chopsticks.
No, this was given by Diksha Suveti.
Okay, so Tracy's friend gave us this chopstick, which is so pretty that Tracy did not let me use it. So finally, today I'm getting to use it. So pretty, like.
So Diksha Didi sent me some stuff over from her spice company, Sudisu. I'm so happy to receive these. They have that authentic Nepali taste, and my mom has been using them to cook our meals. I have their Facebook page linked in my description so you guys can go check them out.
Thank you, Didi. So I'm gonna try this out. It tastes so different. Okay, so now behind the camera tasting. How's it, Tracy? The taste is pretty strong. Some people might like it, some people might not.
Next. This is a bit creamier.
Really? Ooh, it does look creamier. Like, if you guys can see it. So this is cream tom yum flavor. So Tracy and mommy made this. Okay. So I'm pretty excited to try them out. And this one tastes better. I don't know, it's creamier. I like this one.
The taste is strong. Is it like Tom Yum's taste or something?
So I would rate this one 8 out of 10. And I would rate this one 9 out of 10. This one was really good. It was so creamy. I love the creamy flavor. So different from the noodles that I usually have. And I'm so happy I got to try them out.
So Tracy is really happy that she got sent this viral Japanese Fino and Tsubaki hair mask by a friend from Japan itself. Obviously, I'll be stealing these and using them in my next video. So stay tuned because Tracy doesn't need them.
So that is it for this mukbang. Or you can say trying out Thai snacks. I love them and I would love to try many more. If you guys like me trying snacks out, do let me know. I would love to create similar videos. Big foodie, and I was so excited to film this video, like seriously. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you for supporting me and please continue to support me. Help me pay my rent. And I'm living with my parents.